Hi, fashion lovers. So today we are drafting the basic bodice for beginners. First of all, get your bust measurement, then your waist line, then your hip measurement. You measure your shoulder, divide your shoulder into two. Mine is 16 inches divided by 2 is 8. Then you come down by 1 inch for your shoulder slope. Our shoulder is not straight, so you get your basic neckline is 3 inches, 3 inches. From the 1 inch shoulder slope, you come back down for your armhole measurement. From the arm, then you divide your bust circumference by 4. Mine is 40 divided by 4 is 10 inches plus 2 inches for ease. Same way, you divide your waist measurement by 4 plus 2 inch for ease. You divide your hips measurement by 4 and add 2 inches for the ease. These 2 inches just for basic normal material, but if it's stretchy material, you can use 1 inch for the ease. Sorry, my camera is not showing the end of the paper. So that's your basic bodies. Basic for beginners. If you don't know how to draft the basic bodies, this is very simple and easy to draft. And you cut the remaining papers out, the unwanted areas out. Cut your armhole curve. Please, if you are just seeing my channel, please help me grow the channel by subscribing and liking my videos. Thank you, fashion lovers. So we are going to get the neckline, the neck depth. I'm using 3 inches for the depth of the neck, while the width is 3 and 3. So you curve it, trim it out, and that's all you have to do. Very simple and easy for a beginner. If you have watched up to this, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube page. Help me grow the page. Thank you.